Today I'm going to do an oil and filter change on this Ford S-Max 2 litre diesel. It's pretty straightforward. That's the oil filter just down there, so I just need to drain that out and change the filter. So in order to access the drain plug, the first thing I need to do is jack it up and put it on axle stands. The next stage is to remove this engine cover, which is secured with some 10mm bolts that go all around it. With the under tray removed, I can now gain access to the sump drain plug, which is just there. It's a 21mm nut, or there is a hex, 8mm hex you can use, so either of the two. Right, now I need to just undo this drain plug and hopefully not make a massive mess. What I'm going to do now is just jack the car down so that it's level, to make sure that it's all drained out. While I'm waiting for that to finish draining, I can start looking at the oil filter now. So that's the oil filter down there. It's a 27mm. It's quite deep down, so you want an extension really to get down there. Ideally, it would be nice to remove that plastic clip there, but me and plastic clips don't really get on, so I don't want to risk breaking it. I might be able to just pull it through there, which is what I think I'm going to do. There's the old filter. Now on the filter housing there is a rubber O-ring, so just need to remove the old one. Just dig it out with a screwdriver. And then your new filter should come with a new one. I've actually gone for a genuine Ford one this time. Don't usually, but it was the same price online, so I thought I might as well. Stick that back on. And then what we should do is just put a bit of, it's quite oily anyway to be honest, but just put a bit of fresh oil on the seal. I'm just going to pop that filter in there. So just clip in and then just screw it back on to the specified torque of 25 Newton meters apparently. I've just jacked the car back up again so I can get access to that sump plug. There is a copper washer on it, so it is good practice to change that as well while you're doing this. So I'll just pop that back in. Now I'll just tighten that up to the correct torque, and then I can put the under tray back on and put the oil in. I think it takes about 5.5 litres, but I'm just going to chuck 5 in and run it and give it another check. I'll put 5 litres in, run it up for 30 seconds, and I don't know if you can see it, but it is nearly full, so I think I'm just going to leave it at that for now and keep an eye on it. That's it, job's good, and thanks for watching.